If Opera VPN is showing error 87 on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick fix that often resolves the issue by resetting your network stack and reinstalling the WAN Miniport adapters. This is a practical step-by-step method that can help when Opera VPN stops connecting, shows a configuration error, or simply refuses to work the way it should. If this guide helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the commands we're about to use need elevated permissions to make network-level changes on your computer. Once the Command Prompt window opens, copy and paste the first command and press Enter, netch-int ip reset. This resets your TCP/IP settings and can fix problems caused by corrupted network configuration. After that, enter the next command, netch-int IPv6 reset. This resets the IPv6 settings on your system, which can also interfere with VPN connections if something is misconfigured. Next, type or paste this command and press Enter, netch Winsock reset. This resets the Winsock catalog, which helps repair issues related to how Windows handles network communication. After running all three commands, close the command prompt window and restart your computer immediately. Don't skip this restart because the changes won't fully take effect until Windows reloads the network services. Once your PC has restarted, right-click the Windows Start button and open Device Manager. In Device Manager, scroll down and expand the Network Adapters section. Here, you should look for the entries that begin with WAN Miniport. These virtual adapters are often used by VPN services, and if they become corrupted, Opera VPN may throw error 87. Start by right-clicking WAN Miniport IKEV2 and selecting Uninstall Device. If prompted, confirm the removal. Then repeat the same process for the other WAN Miniport entries you see, such as WAN Miniport IP and WAN Miniport IPv6. If there are more WAN Miniports listed, uninstall those as well, one by one. The goal here is to remove the broken adapter entries so Windows can rebuild them fresh. After all of the WAN Miniports have been uninstalled, go to the top menu bar in Device Manager and click Action. Then choose Scan for hardware changes. Windows will immediately detect the missing adapters and reinstall clean copies automatically. This step is very important because it restores the network components Opera VPN relies on to function properly. Once the scan finishes, you can close Device Manager and try opening Opera VPN again. In many cases, error 87 should now be gone and the VPN should connect normally. If it still doesn't work right away, restarting your PC one more time can help finalize the repair. And that's it, you've reset the network stack, rebuilt the WAN Miniport adapters, and taken the key steps that often fix Opera VPN error 87 on Windows. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.